In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a Weebly gallery in just 5 minutes. Whether you're updating your website's visual appeal or simply reorganizing your images, resizing your gallery can create a significant impact. Let's dive in and take this step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your Weebly account. Make sure you have your username and password ready to access your account easily. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Weebly dashboard. This is where you manage all the elements of your website. Now, look for the section that allows you to navigate to your specific website dashboard. From there, click on Website and then select Edit Site. This action will open up the editing interface where you can make changes to your website. It's a straightforward navigation path, and once you've reached this point, you'll have access to the design elements of your site, including the gallery that you want to resize. Now that you're in the editing mode, the next step is to identify the image gallery that you want to resize. This might be located on the home page, a dedicated gallery page, or any other section of your site where you've displayed a collection of photos. Once you find the gallery, you'll notice the Settings option. In the settings, there are several ways to customize the layout of your gallery. One of the primary settings you'll want to adjust is the number of columns. This option allows you to change how many images are displayed per row, giving you control over the gallery's appearance. You can also experiment with different layouts to see which one suits your website's theme best. After adjusting the columns and layouts, you'll need to click on an image within the gallery to select it. This selection will bring up further options for customization, such as zoom levels and shape adjustments. You can tweak these settings to refine the display of each image according to your preferences. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, don't forget to hit the Save button. This ensures that all your changes are stored and ready for publishing. The final step is to click Done and then hit Publish. Doing so will apply and make your modifications live for all to see, cementing the changes you've put effort into. Remember, hitting Publish is crucial to making sure visitors view your updated gallery layout. And there you have it. A quick and simple method to resize your Weebly gallery effectively. With just a few clicks, you can enhance your site's visual presentation significantly. Make it a habit to revisit your galleries periodically, as fresh arrangements can revive your website's appeal. Thank you for watching, and happy Weebly editing.